Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. Which section of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 governs the creation of a legal mortgage? Section 58F, Section 45, Section 120 or Section 100? The correct answer is option A, Section 58F. Recently, in the Cosmos Cooperative Bank Limited versus Central Bank of India case, the Supreme Court held that the mortgage created by deposit of unregistered agreement to sell will not prevail over the mortgage created by deposit of title deeds. Legal mortgage is created by a formal mortgage deed or deposit of title deeds under Section 58F of the Transfer of Property Act 1882. Next, Section 15A 9 of the SC/ST Act ensures that victims or witnesses receive a free copy of which document? Bail order, first information report, court ruling or police report? The correct answer is option B, first information report. Recently, in the Ramesh Bairwa versus the State of Rajasthan case, the Jaipur bench of the Rajasthan High Court stated that the requirement of Section 15A of the SC/ST Act is considered met even when the information is sent through mobile methods such as SMS or WhatsApp. Section 15A(9) of the SC/ST Act states that it shall be the duty of the investigating officer and the station house officer to record the complaint of victim, informant or witnesses against any kind of intimidation, coercion or inducement or violence or threats of violence, whether given orally or in writing, and a photocopy of the first information report shall be immediately given to them at free of cost. Next, who serves as the ex officio chairman of the Council of States in India? Prime Minister, President of India, Vice President of India or Speaker of Lok Sabha? The correct answer is option C. Article 89 of the Constitution deals with the chairman and deputy chairman of the Council of States. The Vice President of India serves as the ex officio chairman of the Council of States. Next, who does the state government consult before establishing a family court under Section 3 of the Family Court Act 1984? Union Government, High Court, local elected officials or President of India? The correct answer is option B. Section 3 of the Family Court Act 1984 provides that the state government, after consultation with the High Court, shall establish the family court in every area of the state where the population is exceeding 1 million or in the area where the state government deem necessary. Next, LEB is governed by Section 6 of the Indian Evidence Act, Section 8 of the Indian Evidence Act, Section 11 of the Indian Evidence Act or Section 12 of the Indian Evidence Act. The correct answer is option C. Section 11 of the Indian Evidence Act deals with the plea of LEB as the when facts not otherwise relevant becomes relevant. It states that facts not otherwise relevant are relevant if they are inconsistent with any fact in issue or relevant fact, if by themselves or in connection with other facts they make the existence or non-existence of any fact in issue or relevant fact highly probable or improbable. Now it's time for the practice question. A dying declaration must be admissible to a magistrate, doctor, police officer or all of these. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.